Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know, bless. Hoping having a wonderful day today, but you know my style, one baga and I gotta continue to give you these updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with this story because me no know what go on from what to go on, you know, people. Another Jamaican has died. Guess where? Martha's Vineyard. You feel me? And another weird type of drowning. You see me, awesome people. And this time it's not in the ocean, it's a pond. You get me? But it gets even weirder because them say Barack Obama personal chef. You see me, awesome. Now before we get into the details with Obama chef passing, I just want to take a quick look at this picture and remember Martha's Vineyard. Remember, these are the two brothers that drowned mysteriously after leaving work one night and chilling with a bunch of friends. You see me, awesome. And the white people them up on Twitter try to say, you know, boy, oh boy, some piece of business. You see me? Yes, this is the owner that's cool with both Barack Obama and Miss Clinton. You know what I mean? You see me, awesome people. But anyway, it has been confirmed that, you know, Tafari Campbell, you know, has passed away. They ID'd his body earlier. You see me, I said, they got a call from another paddler who was not in the pond with him, but saw him go under and struggle to come out. You see me, I said, people. If him say all of that, why them never swim to go save him? You know what I mean? And it was found 100 yards away from shore. You know what I mean? In 8 feet of water. You see me, awesome. But the police them is investigating this one. You see me, I said, joint agency. Because, you know, the former president chef. So they got to look into this, you know. Barack and, you know, Michelle Obama, they wasn't present in Massachusetts when this happened. You know what I mean? But they did give out a statement saying, you know, Tafari was a beloved part of our family when we first met him. He was a talented sous chef at the White House, creative and passionate about food and its ability to bring people together. In the years that followed, we got to know him as a warm, fun, extraordinary person, kind, that is, who made all of our lives a little brighter. You see me, that's why when we were getting ready to leave the White House, we asked Tafari to stay with us, and he generally agreed. He's been a part of our lives ever since, and our hearts are broken that he's gone. Today we join everyone who knew and loved Tafari, especially his wife, Cherise, and their twin boys, Xavier and Sayan, in grieving the loss of a truly wonderful man. You see my people, let's give them update what I go on for that, go on put in the comment section. What do you think about that? Okay, people, I finally figured it out with Foota hype and these Reggae Sunfest reviews, being that nobody in the industry likes him. It's a mess. But the truth can never be disrespect or taken as disrespect. It's a mess. And them know that the artist them is not doing well in the business. That's why I'm always applaud them. Well, it look like said the Mitchells is there on him list too because him there with way and away, you know. Yeah, no, let's take a listen. Because I don't know if he's mad that they got to do the hosting job, but you know that Foota applied for asylum. That's why I'm not reached back at Jamaica. Because we don't know, say I'm get through already spice the tail with. But anyway, let's listen to what he has to say.
Catch back my flow and my style. Marshall, remember you when I fashion you them. Remember Marshall in town, your bandana them always match your clothes and your jeans suit them and your customized thing them and I want pair. Girl mad over your right through. And girl love over your dress right through. Them time they have a bad legs so I want pair. Get back to yourself. You're my bridging, you know. Although you're wicked. Because Marshall are wicked, you know, people. I have him up. You know, I play hypocrite with my friendship, you know. Marshall are wicked. I have him up. In style me. And I give him big song. And make him eat some whole heap of food again. Not like him need it, because I'm rich. And him in-law them rich and him Marshall not feel for money. But him deal with my wicked people. And I beg him vice, see me and him the vice. begging voice of 45, I'm not voice it. And me a pray him all now, me bex. Remember, Lord, I pray, I honor your word. Remember, say me, boss, that song, man. Play it till tired. Marshall give me a rating so that me bex. When me work on my friend, them acknowledge it, me bex. So me not playing a hypocrite, me bex, me pre-Marshall. So, but last night, him go put on a piece of cream and him come out. You see me? Me not like when people are ungrateful. Marshall show more level of ungratefulness with that song there. He make, me not want the money from him. Him do whole pa show. Remember say when that song there at him do jerk fest, be something. The man, me get send the man already. The man advice to me. The man style me pre, me bex. All know my bex. Zine? So, me just have to get that out there. You see me? Me bex. So, I go Sabam now and me love how him step out last night in a piece of cream and like Tami I say, you know, we not have this tonight. Cause remember Tami, if you don't know, Tami is a uptown girl, but she have a garrison girl mindset when she love people, you understand? And you know, so she love Wayne. So she gonna say, Foota not talk about my husband, so you mad? I want you. Wayne, did you hear what Foota said? That is not happening tonight, you know, Wayne. Wayne, it's okay. It's alright. I go and fix this. I saw Tami got to work. Yeah. So, Tami set the thing and them step out last night. I love it. Real. But what I love most of all is that's when I talk, it has an impact and people are listening. Now, I have to commend Jade. Snoop, you know how Tami talk. People, let me tell you something, if you never know. Me know Tami before she and Marshall there, nah. Me know Marshall before him and Tami there, nah. Me a history man, you know. Alright. Remember the first video them did together, you know. Remember the talk about what them did together. Remember Tami, first video, she and Kid Corrupt, you know. It shoot down where Bembe used to keep, you know. Remember me there and me meet her father, meet them and everything. At that time I do our first video, you know. With Kid Corrupt, you know. Don't tell him okay, you know, standpipe, you know. I was there from the beginning that I share Marshall are there yet. We don't even know if they meet each other yet. And when she and Marshall there and I do the first video up at Cherry Garden, run one part, run one place. Remember me did there. And I go to and see a girl from the video shoot and draw for her. And by me done look the girl and get the number and reach back at the gate. Killer say, yo, come here, man. And me got to killer say, hey, DJ, what on here? Yo, who that, man? I say, no, sir, me just meet her and she name XYZ and she give me the number here, man. Yo, Lord that, man. Yo, you can't manage that, man. Them the girl they love money, man. You have to load that. Yo, I'm here for gate. Tell her you give me the number. And you know, so me end up as a real G. Me geek killer and me end up be the mediator between the middle and me a drop out money and me end up, yo. You don't even know me history. You have history. So Tami and Marshall them and people them. You see me? But Marshall ramp with me, I mean I like that. You see me? If you keep it really low, keep it really low, I'm bex. I'm glad for the opportunity. I love how them are going good. MT, I mean name, the Mitchells, love it. But me have to clap your Marshall car. You style me, I'm still hurt and I can't move on with the friendship when I bex. You see me? So we have to keep it real. So I absolutely love how Tami and Marshall, them in sync. And them, you know me like with them. Them a keep it natural. You see me I say? It no look forced, it no look too scripted. You understand? When him and her they do them thing, it no look too scripted. And because them in love is like, them know how to deal with each other, if you understand what I say. I love it. You see me? So big up Tami Chin and big up Wayne Marshall. The other two girls now, what's she name? Camila McDonald, and the next girl, what's she name? I can't remember her name, no matter how I try now. They are very good at what they do too. I like them style. Sometimes them fumble upon some words and something, but them do good. See? Them do good too. So I like the hosting set of people. Me they reach a Jade, right? Jade learn quick and Jade listen. Cause remember night one, me beat her cause she not change and she not do something them. Night few, she carry a wardrobe. She changed 2 times or 3 times. Lovely. So big up Talia and big up Jade. Me love how Jade learn quick, change up her thing. Nice. Amazing. See? Bossy boy flied. Bossy boy flied. You learn quick too, you know. Yo, bossy boy flied learn quick, but he come like bossy boy flied, go to the suit place, and then now have him right size, and him just say, hey, me a hold the suit here, cause me now make Foota this me. Yo, he come like the jacket short. One at time fly got a whoop and slap in the button them, and it itch up round and back. Yeah, flied. Me I tell you, the suit bossy, you come out clean, but it come like they never have your size, and you say, me now go back out the same little t-shirt, make Foota eye come cloth, me no. But I hold a peach suit and run out upon them. The jacket look like it a, the jacket look like it a squeeze fly around him waist. Yo, grab a mic, me G. Yo, the jacket button part, Flied, you should have left the jacket open. Flied, you should have left the jacket open. One at a time, I measure Flied and yes, so the undershirt sleeve reach yes, so, and the jacket sleeve up yes, so. Flied, I figure your props for effort. Cause you do it, you gotta make sure you say, me, now go back out there in a yard clothes. Then beat you up on the size of your jacket suit, but an emergency. You have to find it, and it look better than the other casual something then. So, me respect, say, wanna listen and fix up your thing. Slice up your thing and dice up your thing. As my friend can do that. Yeah, so that was amazing. What else I want to talk about before we go into the show? There's something else I wanted to talk about. Coming right down nothing last night, me tired people. Honest to God, we never have no time for write and do no bag of writing, cause me tired. First night mash me up. Anyway, I have to speak about the production before we go into the actual performances. Tonight again, last night again, I have to commend the organizers of Reggae Sumfest in the quick band change them. Remember night second different.
And with that being said, Sunfest is finally over. You know what I mean? People, only don't forget to the King Mix-Up channel and check out Tanya Stevens, because she says she get disrespected at over at Reggae Sunfest, and she not ever go there again. You see what I said? And like I said earlier, you know, look like say all of the general, I mean the legend them I get heated at Joe Bogdanovich. As you say, General B felt he got disrespected as well. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest and our dancehall news, music reviews, and guys.